groceries too.
You buy especially stuff that you want. The rest of the stuff you eat what's here. So.
No, the kids eat
my dog has no food, Heather. Why couldn't you feed my dog?
Reminds me, what did I do with my juicy juice? I bought some juicy juice. Did I put it in here? No, I didn't. Dang it. It's delicious right now.
Kid needs some food. Does your dog have any food? Or is that why she's coveting that toast? Now I know why my dog has no food because they probably poured it in Cuddles.
No, actually, I poured my own in Cuddles.
No, Chiquita doesn't eat if you're not home.
AJ, I'm going to put this on YouTube. Just her eating some toast.
Plain juice.
There you go, baby. The water cooler, it was still, the heat still bothering me. I was just waiting for the water cooler. They didn't put some water in it. Water cooler.
There's a water cooler at the house?
Yeah, I was sitting there.
When did we get a water cooler?
When we had the, we just found out the portable.
Oh yeah, the portable.
And we had pretty much decided, well, we'll just keep us, take it over to the other house and put it in AJ's window. Yeah. But then the guy offered us $75 for it, so we decided.
What guy? The guy that's renting it?
No, the guy that came to the garage sale. So I was like, okay, $75, alright. But you said that looks good.
It's
cold but good.
It's like watermelon mixed with it now.
You made that all by yourself? Mm-hmm. Wow. Pretty good, AJ. How long did you cook it for? It looks like it came out in 15 minutes.
That's a while.
Did you? Mm-hmm. It comes out good in foil, like those tin foil dinner, but we just like to put your carrots, potatoes, all that.
Yeah, I wanted to put onions in it, but our onions went bad.
Onion went bad? Man, I was going to know onion. It takes a long time for
onion
to go bad.
That'd have been.
Maybe we used a fresh one when we thought, it was less the old one.
I seasoned that good. That Tony Roma seasoned barbecue works really good for chicken. Yeah, it's really good.
Is this yours, AJ? Whatever this is in here?
Huh?
Is that yours?
What?
Whatever that is in there?
That tea? Yeah. Oh, that's it, my lentil and soy rizo soup. I take the lentil soup and add soy rizo to it. It's really tasty. Take a bite of it. It's really good. Trust me. It's delicious.
Need some of that peach drink. A big glass of that cold
Peach drink?
That peach drink.